Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mr. Addison of Property Hunter Ghana. Today we are in Kwabenya, and this is my first Facebook Live video. I'm about to take a tour of a 3-bedroom house, very nice house on the hillside in Kwabenya, and I will want to take you along. This is the first video I'm doing on the Facebook Live, and I will be doing a lot more on Facebook Live. Before I tell you about what I plan doing on Facebook Live very soon, let me tell you a little bit about this house and how I came to get it for sale on the market. This house belongs to a very fine gentleman who lives in the US, and he contacted me through my YouTube channel on YouTube that he has a house he wants to sell. Initially, he was renting it out to someone, and after the person left, he decided to sell it off. It's located in Kwabenya on a very nice hillside, very nice. Has a very nice view of Accra, and I am about to take a video tour. Very nice, 3-bedroom, 1 master bathroom. It has a jack and jill. The hall is very nice, very classic. Very nice property. If you want to know about the price and you want to see the full video tour of this property, just visit my YouTube channel, and you will have a full video tour of the property where I'll take you around. I am just trying to give you a snapshot of how it looks like, and you will soon have a full video tour. But what I really wanted to tell you on this Facebook Live was that I am about to start the Hunter Show. The Hunter Show is a real estate show. Sorry, let me say somewhere better where I can have a better lighting. I think here will be better. The Hunter Show is a real estate show where we talk about real estate in Ghana, real estate investment. If you want to buy a land or a house, what you should do, what you shouldn't do, and things like that. If you want to build a house, how to go about it. If you want to go into real estate investment in Ghana, this is a show that will be dedicated to real estate investment in Ghana. That is the man's brother. He is with me here. So you say hi. Say hi to everyone. Yeah. Yes. So if you want to know about real estate in Ghana, you want to, buy a house or buy a land, and you want to do it in the proper way that you don't get swindled or you don't get defrauded, this is the show that is dedicated to you. If you want to go into real estate development in Ghana, we will also be talking a lot about real estate developments in Ghana, and we'll also be talking about life in Accra. Life in Accra, that will be a very big part of the show. The Hunter Show, life in Accra, with a very big part of it. Some people want to move to Accra, but they don't know how it is, in Accra. If you are hearing me properly, please let me know. If you are online and you can hear me properly, please let me know. Those who are online, just let me know if you can hear me properly. So if you want to move to Accra, you are looking at you want to know how life is like in Accra, you could subscribe to the channel, and I will tell you a lot about life in Accra. And what I'll also be doing, I want to start another show where we'll be dedicated to reviewing. Thanks, Christy. Thanks a lot. I'll start another show where we'll be reviewing the various communities in Accra. So you want to move to a particular area, but you don't know how the area looks like. So we'll be going around, and we'll be reviewing the various communities. Yes, Mubarak, thanks a lot. I acknowledge that. Thanks a lot. We'll be going around to reviewing the various communities, how is life like in those communities, and what are the problems and what are the nice things about the various communities in Accra. We'll be reviewing them, and then we'll let you know. I did a video on the topic, and it has a lot of views, and people actually wanted to know how the various places look like and how life is like in the various places. So we'll be doing that too. So if you are subscribed to the channel, to my Facebook page, I will say keep your eyes on the page. We'll be doing a lot of Facebook Live. Most of the videos I will do will be on the Facebook page, where I will take it to YouTube later. That is the live video. So if you are watching this on my YouTube channel too, please go to my Facebook page. It's Property Hunter Ghana. Just search for Property Hunter Ghana on Facebook. Like the page and follow me on Facebook, because I'll be doing a lot of live Facebook videos where those of you who have a lot of ideas that you've asked me questions on YouTube, you can also come on the page and we will interact face to face, do like live Facebook videos. So if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, because it's going to get hot very very soon. And if you are not subscribed to the Facebook page too, please go to Facebook. There is the same name, Property Hunter Ghana. Just follow me on Facebook and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's Property Hunter Ghana, where we'll be doing a lot of the housing reviews and the house tours, and the shows will also be placed on the YouTube channel. So what I plan to do is that the live Facebook video will be on Sundays, 5 o'clock Ghana time. So if you are watching me from outside Ghana, 5 o'clock every Sunday, we'll have a live Facebook video, a video show, where I'll bring in guests like real estate developers, architects, engineers. We'll bring in people who are living in Accra, and we'll talk about real estate in Accra, and we'll talk about buying property in Accra, buying land, life in Accra, and all those good stuff. So please follow the page on Facebook and subscribe to the channel. The channel is going to get hot very entertainment and yes, sorry for the interruption. The Wi-Fi had a little problem. Sorry. So as I was saying, a lot of the YouTube channel on YouTube, the Ghanaian YouTube channels, are all dedicated to how do you call it, the entertainment space and the sports space. But we'll talk about business, about life in Accra, about real estate and things like that. You don't find them on YouTube and even on Facebook. So we'll be dedicating our show to real estate in Accra and real estate in Ghana as a whole. So if you are not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you're on YouTube and not following me on Facebook, please go ahead, because that's where all the live videos will be placed. So just go ahead and follow me on Facebook. It's the same thing, Property Hunter Ghana on Facebook. Just follow me and we'll have everything going. This is just a short announcement I wanted to make. I'm about to take a video tour of the property. So if you want to see the video tour of this property, please go to Facebook. This property has a basement. How many houses in Ghana has basement in them? Very, very few. And this is one of the few properties that have basement. It also has a boys' quarters, a 2-bedroom boys' quarters. So I'm about to take a video tour of this property. So just subscribe to the Facebook the YouTube channel, as I said, and when that is ready, you will definitely be aware. Thank you very much, and thank you for your time. God bless you.